TESDA accredited representative, Ms. Santos, thank you for joining us today, ma'am. So before we proceed to our proper orientation, may I see or check your admission slip to confirm that you are officially registered as a candidate for the day assessment. May I call Ms. Saina Maravilla? Can you please sign your signature? So, since na-check ko na ang inyong admission slip and all of you are officially registered for the day assessment, let's now proceed to the orientation. And I hope you all listen and feel free to ask questions at the end of the orientation. Okay? Now that we're officially started, allow me to explain the assessment flow so you will know what to expect throughout the day. So this assessment is based on TESDA competency-based assessment system, which means it will be evaluating if you're meet the required standard of the industry, not simply by testing your memory, but your ability to perform the actual task. So here's the assessment self-check or the checklist. All you have to do is to check your level of confidence or your experience for each task. These self-reflection tools help you and us to understand where you feel most confident and some area for your improvement. You will be given 10 minutes to check your level of confidence. And after that, you will return this form to me and we will now proceed to practical demonstration. Practical demonstration. This is the most important part of your assessment. So lahat ng mga skills or na inaral nyo during training ay i-apply nyo dito. So, meron kang form na nakasulat in lahat ng gagawin. The first thing that you need to do is to mention class. Siyempre, i-prepare mo na yung mga kakailanganin mo during your assessment. And then, second one is hot and cold meals. Based on the assessment assignment sheet provided. Nandiyan din sa likod. Then, the thinking and presentation. Siyempre, importante yan sa ating cooking or sa pag-prepare natin ng food. And lastly, the sanitation and cleaning. So, this task, you will have 8 hours to finish all the tasks. So, may mga rules tayo na kailangan discipline habang tayo ay nag-assessment. Nandiyan na no talking while doing your task or during the assessment. Once the assessment is started, no one is allowed to go outside. And if you want to use a comfort room, we have the comfort room at the right side of the building. And you must wear PPE uniform at all times and handle all ingredient equipments and tools with care. So, while this time is up, I will go to your station and evaluate your output based on the competency standard. Then, after that, we will now proceed to oral questioning. So, that's all. And I hope you enjoy your assessment. So, kumusta naman ang assessment? Kailangan ko natapos ko So, during your assessment, nakita ko naman na very hands-on ka sa mga sa ginagawa mo. Talaga, nakikita
you may sit. So, kumusta naman ang performance mo, ang experience mo? So, maganda naman. Kaya nga lang, sana sa susunod, bibilisan pa natin yung kilos. Pero, nakikita ko naman yung effort sa ginagawa mo. Alam ko na gusto mo talaga na matapos on time. Pero, dahil nga kinapos sa oras or hindi natin na-meet yung standard ng ating competency. Pero, maganda naman yung pinakita mo. Kaya nga lang, may mga area na hindi mo na-achieve during your assessment. Pero, hindi naman ito ipinapakita na or sinasabi na porket hindi ka or hindi mo na-meet yung hinging standard ay hindi ka naaring mag-take or mag-try ulit. Gusto ko lang din sabihin na kahit na hindi mo natapos yung time or maaari ka pa rin namang magpatuloy. Mas mapag-aaralan mo pa ang mga skills na dapat sa competency na ito at willing pa rin naman kaming tanggapin ka sa susunod kapag ready ka na, mas ready ka na mag-take ulit ng assessment. So thank you at huwag ka sana mawala ng pag-asa.